Hello and welcome back. Today we have a special tutorial for you. We're going to demonstrate how to use S&S Brush Saver. Brush Saver will help keep all of your products clean and last longer. Let's start off by applying some gel-less base. Typically, at this point, we would wipe our brush clean. Although we try to be thorough, there's always small particles that are left from the powder that remain on the brush. So when we go back for the second layer, cross-contamination is inevitable. We can wipe our brush and test it. If there's any color left over on the brush, we need to use Brush Saver. After finishing your nails, you can use the brush and put it in the Brush Saver. As an additional step, we can prevent our bottles from jamming shut. We can do this by cleaning the top of the bottle with acetone. Make sure the acetone doesn't get inside. Now that the top of the bottle is clean, we can close it up without any issues. It's important that we wipe off all of the Brush Saver before putting it back in the bottle. Make sure to get it really clean. All right, there we go. That's exactly how you do it. Now we can seal the product and know it will work perfectly the next time. Thank you so much for watching. Please like and subscribe if you enjoyed the video. Hit the bell icon not to miss any of our newest tutorials. Thank you, and bye for now.